Meaning of floribunda.
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 Floribunda. Floribunda refers to a type of rose that produces blooms in clusters, usually with multiple flowers on each stem. The word itself is derived from Latin, with flori meaning flowers and bunda meaning abundant. Floribunda roses are prized for their prolific blooms and their ability to provide color to a garden throughout the growing season. They are often used in landscaping to create mass plantings or as colorful accents in mixed borders. Overall, floribunda roses are known for their beauty, hardiness, and ease of care.